it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all another baddie on a budget video. I'm going to be showing y'all this messy bun with the little curls, you know, extra fluffy, not fluffy, extra baby hair. Cute, okay. This hairstyle was literally free for me because I used some braiding hair that I already had in my house. But if you go to the store and buy you some braiding hair, you could spend maybe like $3 to $7. So this is a real quick and easy hairstyle and for the low. So let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Okay, y'all, so this is a length check. I'm starting out with some dirty old hair. This is a very old silk press. I believe it's like 3 weeks old. So as you can see, my edges is crusted and busted. So I'm just going to be taking a hot comb to my edges and my hairline, just so that the ponytail could be really sleek. And I'm going to take it all the way around. I literally only did one pass or two. One or two. But yeah, I just went all around. I didn't do anything in the middle. I just brushed out my hair and got my ponytail where I wanted to sit, or where I want my bun to sit, and then I began molding it down. I am going to put all the products that I use in this video. I think it's only about 4. I'm going to insert them in the video. But also, if y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description bar below. I'm just going to be molding it with the olive oil spritz. I'm pulling my edges out using my little brush. I am going to be using a brush and a comb to mold it down. I normally would just use a comb like if it was a fresh silk press, but because it was an old silk press, it needed a little bit more reinforcement, so that's why I'm using a brush to make sure it's real sleek. If you have thicker hair, using a brush will be good as well. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Okay, so now that we're done molding, I'm just going to take that ponytail holder off and redo the entire ponytail. And then I'm going to go ahead and start working with my braiding hair. The braiding hair that I'm going to be using is some 48-inch braiding hair. I recommend using a longer braiding hair length. It is pre-stretched. I am using a blow dryer to knock some of the wave out of the hair, and I am only using about 3/4 of the whole pack. Of that section of the pack. I recommend using the whole pack if you have thinner hair, and then using less if you have thicker hair. Since my hair is a little thicker and on the longer side, I did not use that much braiding hair because I didn't want my bun to be too fat. But depending on how thick you want your bun, it just depends on how much of braiding hair you want to use. I'm going to be pulling out a small section. I'm blow drying it to knock some of that wave off and give that sleek look. Also, I did put some Murray's on the braiding piece, and then I'm just going to be wrapping that around to cover up my ponytail holder and to cover up the rubber band and how I attach the hair. Also, I know y'all saw it, but it was kind of fast how I attached the ponytail. I just stacked the braiding hair on top of my natural hair and put the ponytail holder on top. I'm going to be using my hot comb to melt, not really melt, but to kind of basically to mold that piece, to melt it. I'm showing y'all right here where my real hair stops and where the braiding hair stops, and then this is when we're going to start working with the bun. So I'm going to be wrapping that weave hair around my natural hair to cover up my natural hair. You want to make sure that you cover up your natural hair and that it's not sticking out of your bun, because that's not the look that we're going for. We want to get very much sleek. Okay, so you really have to play with this bun, especially if you don't use hair that's long enough. So as you can see, when I'm trying to go for my second loop-de-loop, I'm running out of hair. Right. So that's why I really had to play with this bun a lot to really get the look that I was going for. So I really had to play with it. So I recommend, like I said, using maybe 54-inch or like some longer type of baby hair. I mean, not baby hair, braiding hair, because this 48-inch pre-stretch hair was not it. But literally, that's what I had on hand, so that's what I used. But yeah, I'm gonna be molding that other piece, and you do that. Make sure the heat is not too high, because you don't want it to burn. You just want it to melt a little bit so that it can stick together. It works way better than using like some spritz or something. So I'm literally gonna be playing with this bun a lot. So you gonna notice that, wait, her bun look a little different at the very end. Yes, because once I started doing my makeup, I started playing with it some more, and I started playing with it some more, and I literally continued to play with the bun until I got it how I wanted it. But I am using a little extra piece of hair, and I'm wrapping it around a flexi rod. You can wrap it around a roller, a pencil, whatever you have, pen, and I'm putting it in some boiling water, and I'm making me a little curl, because I'm gonna have some little curls sticking out my bun, make it a little spicy, you know what I'm saying? So here go my little curl. I'm gonna cut it up into pieces, and then I'm gonna use bobby pins to stick them into the bun.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying.
Okay, so now we're moving on to the edges. I am gonna be flat ironing the little bit of edges that I have. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm gonna be flat ironing my edges. I didn't leave a whole bunch out. Well, in my opinion, I didn't leave a whole bunch out. I could have left a little bit more sideburns out, because I feel like I could have did a little curl on the side, and I could have left some edges out in the back, but I didn't. But anyways, y'all, tell me why. I thought I was recording the whole time I was doing my edges, and I wasn't. But here go the Murray's that I was talking about before. I use that for my edges as well. If you're gonna use Murray's, you have to use it on your hair flat iron. But look, half of my dang on edges already done. I thought I was recording the whole time, and I definitely was not. So by the time I realized that I had already finished half of my edges, so I was like, okay, oops, let me go ahead and record the other half. But y'all, I was going a little crazy on the swoops and on the swirls today, well, this day, and I'm like, dang, that came out cute. So lately I've been doing my edges exactly like this, because I'm like, okay, I like to go one way, then go the other way, then swoop the curl on top of that. I just was like, okay, that's different. You ain't never did this before. So yeah, I kind of went crazy on the baby hair. Obviously, if you are not a baby hair person, or you don't like baby hair, you can definitely skip this part. And this would kind of be like the end for you. But if you are a baby hair person like I am, then yes, it's given, right? Okay, so yeah, I'm doing a lot of swirly swirls and swoopy swoops. I really just feel like I definitely could have done more as far as my sideburns went, because with the little curls in a bun, I could have, did some curls on the side, and then did a few little curls sticking out the back of my bun. But I don't know. I don't know why I didn't. But anyways, it came out cute anyways. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the edges. I'm just going to go ahead and play with my bun some more. Then I'm going to spray my hair with some spritz, and then spray it with some olive oil sheen. And that's pretty much it for the bun. And that's it for the look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoy. Leave some comments down below on new videos that y'all would like to see. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
To forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but